Hi gamer! Today I'll show you how to repair a damaged side cable on Kingston HyperX Cloud headphones. In upcoming videos, I'll also show you how to replace the old ear pads and headband cushions on these headphones. But now, let's get to the side cable repair. To do this, you'll need a thin diameter cable, which you can take from an old pair of broken in-ear or earbud headphones. Start by removing the ear pad on the side that needs the cable repair. Unscrew the headphone housing and open it, then remove the damaged cable. Unscrew the headband plastic side parts as well. Just remember how everything was assembled. It won't be easy to reassemble it correctly if you forget. Pull out a longer piece of the stock cable, burn off the fabric sleeving, and cut it. Then carefully remove the outer jacket of the cable, but be sure not to damage the inner wires. There's no room for mistakes here. Cut the end of your replacement cable, remove its outer jacket, and separate the wires by color. If there are more than 2 wires, twist them together so you end up with a total of 2 wires, just like the original cable. Make sure to remember which color wires you twisted together. Twist all wires tightly, then solder the stock wires to the new ones. Again, remember which colors are soldered together. Wrap both wires with electrical tape to avoid any short circuits. Put the plastic part back in place, but make sure the new cable connection is positioned in a way that prevents it from getting pulled or damaged. It needs to stay firmly in place. Once the plastic part is screwed in, pull the new cable through the ear cup housing. Measure the needed cable length and cut off the excess. Remove the outer jacket, separate the wires, and twist them together by color exactly the same way as on the other end. Then, slide on a piece of heat-shrink tubing where the cable needs to be secured. Secure the tubing to the cable and then glue it to the ear cup with super glue. This will prevent the cable from getting pulled out and ensure long-lasting durability. Now, tin the wires. Desolder the old wires from the speaker driver. Just make sure to remember the wire colors and solder the new wires in exactly the same order, the ground wire to ground and the colored wire to the speaker driver's positive terminal. Then, reassemble the ear cup housing, screw it back together, and reinstall the ear pad. And here's the result. You can't even tell the side cable was destroyed just a moment ago. If you love your HyperX headphones, I also have a video on how to do a detachable cable mod, as well as how to replace the ear pads. But for now, good luck.